Welcome to the channel. Today we'll take a look at a breakthrough in counter-drone technology, the Iron Drone Radar System. This is a fully autonomous, intelligent, and software-defined platform designed to operate in the most demanding conditions. Iron Drone combines powerful algorithms, software-driven control, and cutting-edge technologies to detect, analyze, and neutralize aerial threats in real time. Its main advantage is complete autonomy. The system can act without constant operator control, which makes it incredibly fast and accurate. Thanks to its software-defined architecture, it can change strategies on the fly, adapting to any situation. Intelligent analysis instantly assesses threats and decides how to respond. Such a system can be used anywhere, from protecting critical infrastructure and large public events to military operations where every second counts. In a world where drones are becoming increasingly accessible and advanced, Iron Drone offers the solution of the future: flexible, smart, and highly effective. This is not just a defense system, but a new standard of security and airspace control. If you enjoy learning about technologies like this and want to stay updated on the latest innovations, support this video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More content about world-changing technology